Hello everyone and welcome to another EJ guitar lesson. This is the first in a new series of videos I'll be doing each week called Tip of the Week, which is essentially just me giving you little tips on how to play guitar each week, just useful little tips. This week we're going to have a look at palm muting, so let's dive on in and have a look at what palm muting is all about. So, palm muting is a great technique that adds texture to your playing. It is used in a variety of different musical genres too. Now, to achieve palm muting, what we're going to do is we're going to take the side of our hand, our picking hand, and we're going to rest it against the strings as we're strumming. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate it with a G major chord, just a standard G major chord, and I'm just going to strum the chord normally without resting my side of my picking hand against the strings, without palm muting, and then I'm going to add in the palm muting by resting the side of my picking hand against the strings. So this is it without palm muting. I'm going to add the palm muting in now. Take it off. Add it in. So there we have it. That's how palm muting is achieved. Now that effect can be achieved on individual notes and any chord you wish. So here is a E5 chord, E power chord without palm muting. Now I'm going to add some palm muting in, take it off, add it back in. So now I'm going to go back to the G major chord and show you a close-up of what my right hand is doing as it alternates between no palm muting and palm muting. So here's the G chord without palm muting. Now I'm going to rest the side of my picking hand against the strings. Take it off, put it back on. So that's palm muting. As you can see, a very useful guitar technique to use. So that's all for this week's tip. I hope you found this lesson useful and indeed helpful. If you have, then go on and hit my wee subscribe button or just leave me a wee comment below. Well, that's all for this week folks. I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you all soon.